Shisngi hadian berkesoka Meghalaya berkesoka Assam kelas sedang benyekran kewat kebaar Iapynbeit no ya ka Jingiakhih put hakin riu teli ki jaka bun teli ki seng Treimon Sngewbha na Garo Hills ki berkentup ya ka GSU ka FKGGP ka ADE bat ka AYWO mentagasngi ke Pynlong da ka Jingsong ke lain mengor banyak persya ya ka Memorandum of Understanding ke beladep yasoy bdengki arteli ke jelah ubenai leber mentau senem ya kane ka Jingsong ke lain mengor la Pynlong hajan ke lat mandrung sya civil hospital ke badan hakmat jung umot sa kan mau ya ukyang nangba kini ki Kynhun Treimon Sngewbha ki la phak ru da ka dorkas sya umin rang ba ka jelah konrat sangma bandawa na kesoka ban bishar biang saksisien ya ke MOU ke beladep yasoy.
Meghalaya government, MD government, had done the MOU without discussing and without any consent with the local people.
Both the governments, the Assam government and the Meghalaya government, they signed the MOU, basing the MOU on the 5 mutually agreed principles. But however, we have felt that they have blatantly overlooked the 5 mutually agreed principles because we can, if we look at the aspects of the 5 mutually agreed principles, we have to look at the historical background, we'll have to look at the ethnicity, we'll have to look at the administrative convenience and geographical continuity and people's willingness. We'll be submitting our memorandum today, and we have given a copy to a lot of ministers.